Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the Teal Truck Center YouTube channel. My name is Jim Teal with Teal Truck Center out of Pleasant Valley, Iowa. Guys, so we are a truck dealer on the very eastern side of the state, in an area called the Quad Cities. We're actually located on Highway 67 and just 2 short miles off of Interstate 80. So guys, yes, we are a truck dealer, but we also have SUVs and some of the very nicest custom built, custom Jeeps, Broncos, anywhere. This bad boy just came in, and I want to tell you, there's not another one out there like it. You see right there, it says Rocky Ridge. This was built by Rocky Ridge out of Georgia. Now they are a big company, a conversion company that does Jeeps, trucks, and they're professional as professional gets. This is not some Jeep that a guy built in his garage. This is done and done right by Rocky Ridge. And I will tell you that package alone right there on this Jeep will run you about $30,000. This Jeep with this package new, now knocking the door at 90K, 90 grand, guys. You're gonna buy this one for, shoot, less than half of that. So I'm gonna give you the walk around, guys. So everything done by Rocky Ridge. We got custom bumpers front and rear, custom rock slider with the steps, RDR 20-inch wheels, Falcon 35 1250 20 tires. As you can see, they are pretty darn close to new. Can't have but maybe 5,000 miles on them. Rocky Ridge light bar and light holder, just all kinds of cool stuff that Rocky Ridge does. That's just going to be a step above all the rest of the guys out there. We also have the matching hardtop, guys. It is a Freedom top, three-piece Freedom top, so those front T-tops come out. Again, here we come back here, we got the really nice custom bumper. There's more Rocky Ridge custom truck badging. Matching spare, again, is a 20-inch RDR, Red Dirt Road. Flowmaster exhaust, guys. I mean, they do it all, front to back. They customize these things. Now, this is also a Sahara, guys. So this is going to get you all decked out in here, okay? We got leather seats, big screen navigation, power everything. Let me show you here. I've got the, I forgot to tell you, there's a winch on this thing too. Got the controller there, all the books. Only 50,000 miles, as you can see there. This does have the Alpine stereo with a big subwoofer in the back. Super clean, guys, Carfax certified. It is a one owner. Again, it's lifted, rims, tires, bumpers, lights. It's got it all, guys. The Rocky Ridge, again, 50,000 miles, Carfax certified, Rocky Ridge, only at Teal Truck Center in Pleasant Valley, Iowa. There you go, Rocky Ridge, powered by Hammerhead. More custom lighting there. It's got it all, guys. So 2018, 50,000 miles on it, one owner, Rocky Ridge. It's got it all. I got it priced right. Go to our website, tealtrucks.com, T-H-I-E-L trucks.com. Give us a call, 563-424-2000. We do ship. Most likely, yeah, this thing's probably going to go to Texas or Florida because all those guys down there, if they had this truck, they probably asked $70,000 for it, and we are way, way cheaper than that. So, guys, we'll ship it to you. If you're within a couple hundred miles, we can offer some financing. Whatever you need, we're here. Just give us a call and let's talk it over. But make sure you call quick because this bad boy is going to go. Until next time, have a good one.